Welcome to this mini tutorial on how to create and assign ad hoc tasks in projects. When creating a new project, tasks can either be created automatically via a project template or can be created manually once the project is already created. If you are creating a project from scratch, there will be no pre-established tasks. This will allow you to create and assign tasks manually from the blank project page. You can add ad hoc tasks from the bottom of the screen. Simply enter the task name and click the blue check mark or hit Enter on your keyboard. Once created, this task will need to be assigned manually by choosing the collaborator or collaborators from their avatars on the task list. You can also adjust the priority and deadlines for these tasks from the same list.